Yeah, so the staff is just absolutely amazing. They just make you feel, they put you at ease as soon as you get here, right from the start. They explain the procedure to you. They just make you feel comfortable. It's an easy day, it really is.
Rocco has come back for follow-up. He had a strip transplant performed 18 months ago, 3,000 grafts, and I'm going to show you his pre-op photographs. He was a Norwood 4 pattern, as you can see, with balding of the anterior one half of the scalp. This is what he looked like immediately post-op. Now we're going to look and see what he looks like today, 18 months later.
I love it, yeah. I absolutely love it. I mean, it was the best thing that I've ever done, just confidence-wise. It's just, it's done just wonders for me. When I look in the mirror now, I really like what I see versus what I used to see. So for me, it was honestly one of the best things that I've ever done.
What do you think of the hairline?
I love it. It's really good. It looks realistic. I've had great compliments. People, they can tell I've done something, but they don't know what. So it's funny, sort of, hearing the responses. And when I tell them, they're all just blown away.
And the density of the hair?
It's great. Yeah, I love it. It's really good. That's why I came back the second time to do the back. The staff is just absolutely amazing. They just make you feel, they put you at ease as soon as you get here, right from the start. They explain the procedure to you. They just make you feel comfortable. It's an easy day. It really is. Dr. Gupta and his staff I'd highly recommend. Really, really good. Absolutely, 100%.